Unsa inyong gipanganday sa pamilya? Travel, bagong balay, o basin simple ra, kalinaw nga walay kabalaka? Hi, I'm Daddy Ray, Life and Wealth Advisor, husband and proud tatay. And today, let's talk about why dreams are better when you plan for them. 1. Dreams need clarity. Kung unsa inyong paggusto, dapat klaro. Isulat ninyo Europe trip in 5 years or balay nga inyong kaugalingon. Dreams without clarity stay as wishes. 2. Dreams need a timeline. Travel, balay, or peace of mind. Mas realistic kung kabalo ka kanus-an mo gusto makabot. 1 year, 5 years, or 10 years. Timelines turn dreams into goals. 3. Dreams need protection. Unsaon nimo pag-enjoy sa travel o balay kung walay peace? That's why savings, investments, or insurance matter to protect your dreams from life's uncertainties. Unsa man inyong gipangandoy sa pamilya, travel, balay, or peace, whatever it is, I can help you turn those dreams into a plan. This is Daddy Ray, reminding you to protect your peace, your plan, and your people, empowering the future, one family at a time.